I think my first impression were overwhelming, but also excited and total something I've never experienced before. But at the end of the day, I was glad that I did it. But I was glad that I had the opportunity and see Viega in India. So during Diwali, I've gone Goa and I've spent a week there, and I was very fascinated about Diwali in India because it's such a big event, and I'm glad that I had the opportunity to see it because I can recommend everybody should see it at least once. So what I've enjoyed the most about Goa was probably the silence, because I didn't know before that India can be very quiet as well. And Ahmedabad was very busy for me because I'm not used to these big cities, and the Goa was different, and I enjoyed the 1 week of silence and a bit of nature. I think it was great for me to be at the Mumbai Experience Center because sometimes Viega products can be not as visual appealing for the most customers. And I think especially for them, it's very good and nice to see the Experience Center because we get a very good understanding of how every Viega product is being installed and what's the use behind the Viega product. One of the most valuable learnings for me was understanding how strongly Viega India's product portfolio is adapted to the local market realities. I gained a much deeper application for the engineering behind systems like Senpress, ProfiPress and MegaPress, especially in the context of India's diverse water quality, pressure variability and installation environments. I had the unique opportunity to work hands-on with the production team and actually assemble a system myself, contributing to something built with such precision and quality was incredible, rewarding and honestly a privilege to experience up close. So I've been to some residential buildings and I had the opportunity to see where Viega products were actually installed, either pipes or systems, and I really had the opportunity to see the difference between cheap plastic pipes and high quality Viega pipes, and there's a massive difference. So yeah, it is true, Viega is known for good quality. My 6 weeks here gave me a clear view of how Viega India blends global engineering excellence with strong local market execution. I saw how the team focuses on education, on ground support and building long-term customer trust. Across departments, the professionalism, discipline and collaboration stood out. It helped me understand how Viega adapts globally proven solution to India's unique market needs and how that drives the brand's growth here.